Hey makers, it's Charlotte with the Wooden Wick Co. And today I'm talking about how to get your products Leaping Bunny certified. So what is the Leaping Bunny certification? Well, let me tell you. Leaping Bunny is an internationally recognized symbol that your products are cruelty-free and have never been tested on animals. It helps consumers and users of your product recognize that it's safe for animals and that it's something that hopefully we can all agree on is what we want to see on our products. The Leaping Bunny certification applies towards personal care items, cosmetics, and home care and cleaning products. If you're just making candles, it wouldn't apply for you, but if you're making other products like those that I mentioned, again, home care and cleaning, personal care, or body products, it's definitely something that you want to look into getting for your brand. When you apply for the Leaping Bunny certification, go to leapingbunny.org and you can fill out an application to get your products certified. You're going to need your manufacturers to sign off that there is no cruelty or animal testing done throughout the process and production of the products and ingredients that you're using from them. So you'll need to work closely with your suppliers to get this done. However, don't be intimidated. The process is actually really easy. At the Wooden Wick Co., we've helped lots of our customers complete the Leaping Bunny certification, and now they proudly use the Leaping Bunny symbol on their products and brand. The cost ranges from $500 to $4,500 depending on your business size and revenue, just so you have a heads up on what to budget for. Again, the Leaping Bunny certification is an awesome recognition for your brand and one we encourage all of our customers getting that apply under these categories. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!